Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can take a long screenshot in the TikTok app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes here and write comments after watching the video. And let's get down to our topic. And first of all, in order for you to be able to take those long screenshots, I recommend you to download one application. To do that, please go to the App Store app. Next, click on the search bar and type in the word Zeta search. And you should find this Zeta Stitch app. Click on it and click Download. Once you download it, click Open and then accept all the terms and conditions that are asked of you and give this app access to all social networks as well as your gallery. After you download this app, go to your phone settings. Please open the Control Center here. And make sure you have a shortcut called Screen Recording added. If it's not added, then scroll down, find it right here in this list, and just click on the green plus next to the shortcut called Screen Recording. After that, friends, exit the settings and you can now start taking a long screenshot. Open up the TikTok app. And in order to take some long screenshot here, go to where you need to go. I'm going to go to correspondence, let's say. Swipe down from the top, click on the screen recording shortcut. Wait 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, the screen recording will start. And you can go to some correspondence, let's say. And then you can slowly scroll through it. Swipe to the point where you need to and stop the screen recording. To do that, also swipe down from the top and click on the screen recording shortcut. Now friends, you'll need to exit the TikTok app and go to the Zeta Stitch app. You'll immediately have, like I did, the last video you recorded. And this is where you can crop it both front and back of this video. In order to leave exactly the section you want as a long screenshot. Once you have cropped your video, click Next in the top right corner. Wait until all the changes are saved and click Save at the top. And as you can see, you get a long screenshot like this. And then you can send it, for example, somewhere, to someone, on any social network, or some kind of messenger. You can also save this image. And you can delete the original at once, so that it does not interfere with you. That is, the original video that you made. And you can exit the app, go to the gallery on your phone, in order to make sure that you have that long screenshot. And as you can see, you do have one. That's how you can take long screenshots in the TikTok app on your iPhone, folks. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please leave your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.